In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Slack. If you've ever felt the strain of bright interfaces during long work hours or just prefer a darker theme for aesthetic reasons, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through the steps to switch your Slack workspace's appearance to dark mode, ensuring a more comfortable viewing experience. First, make sure you have the Slack application open on your device. You can apply dark mode on both desktop and mobile apps, so whether you're at your desk or on the go, you'll be able to follow along. To begin, locate the workspace name in the top left corner of your Slack interface. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu offers various options, but for now, we're primarily interested in the Preferences option. Find Preferences and click on it. This is where you'll adjust settings to make Slack work best for you. Once you click Preferences, a new window will appear. On the left-hand side, you'll find several tabs. Each of these tabs is related to a different category of settings, such as notifications, language, and theme. We want to adjust the theme of Slack, so go ahead and click on the Themes tab. In the Themes section, you'll see a preview of what your Slack workspace currently looks like. Here, Slack provides a simple toggle to switch between light and dark mode. Look for the heading that mentions themes, and beneath it, you'll see options with sample interfaces, one clearly marked as Dark. To activate dark mode, simply click on the option labeled Dark. Immediately, your workspace should transform to the darker theme, allowing you to see your messages and channels with a reduced amount of light from the screen. This can be especially beneficial in low-light environments or if you're someone who spends a lot of time in front of screens. Remember, these settings are fully reversible. If you ever decide to switch back to the default light mode, you just need to follow the same steps and select the light option instead. You may also want to note that dark mode could help with conserving battery life on devices with OLED screens, as pixels use less power displaying black or dark colors. Plus, many users find dark mode easier on the eyes, potentially reducing strain and making it easier to focus on the task at hand. And there you have it, an easy way to make your Slack workspace a bit more comfortable and customized to your liking. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.